Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Honda Civic key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, including any that currently work. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This process involves a specific sequence of steps that must be followed carefully. We'll walk through each part to ensure your new or replacement key fob functions correctly. It's a straightforward process once you understand the timing. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are securely closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within 4 seconds of turning the key, press the lock button on one of the key fobs you wish to program. This action helps initiate the vehicle's programming mode. You'll hear a distinct click or sound confirming entry. Now turn the key to the off position, then immediately back to on within 4 seconds. Again, press the lock button on the same key fob within 4 seconds. You need to repeat this entire on, off, on lock sequence 2 more times. The car's door locks will cycle, indicating successful entry into the programming phase. This confirms the vehicle is ready to learn the key fob signal. Once the locks cycle, press the lock button on every key fob you want to program, including any existing ones, within 10 seconds. The locks will cycle again after each successful registration. After programming all fobs, turn the ignition key to the off position to exit the programming mode. Test each key fob to ensure all functions like lock and unlock work correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.